today. In today's video, guys, I am going to quickly share with you guys this powerful strategy that you are looking at here right now on my screen. This particular strategy is what your mentors use, and this is what all the pro traders out there use. And what one thing that I want you to understand from this particular video that I want to record, or that I want to this information I want to share with you guys here, is the fact that yes, you might probably see someone that is dishing out this particular thing for you guys on YouTube here. But I just want you guys to understand one thing. The person can never go deep into this particular information, because this is what every one of them is using to make a lot of money from the market. All those people that you do take your time to watch from time to time on YouTube, this is the same information that they are using to cash out. So the problem here, or the problem that probably you might be having watching their videos and understanding what they are explaining, is the fact that they cannot go into or go deep into the conferences that they use on lower time frame. As you can see, this particular chart right now, this is V75 index, and this is daily time frame. All right, so I am just going to throw more light into what you need to actually know, because most of you guys have this mentality of you cannot pay for what you can sort out online. All right. So if you want to keep on, wasting your time watching random videos on YouTube, it all depends on you. I'm not persuading you to come and enroll on my mentorship program. No, that is not what I'm saying. And I've never done that. All right. So I'm just telling you guys the bitter truth that you guys need to know. All right. So this information I'm going to share with you guys here is what professional traders use. All your mentors, all those people that you do watch their videos that show flashy cars and all that online. This is what they use, but they cannot go into details, just as I said earlier on. So I'm going to show you guys that specific information, that specific strategies that they have been using, and how you are going to capitalize on that. So this particular video is more of conversation, like it's more of communicating with you guys, all right, so that you will understand that you making money from the market is not all about until you turn your head upside down before you start making money from the market. You cannot do that for you to start making money from the market. All you just need to do is for you to be intact on the right track of information that is, giving others money. All right. So once you, align yourself in the line, like align yourself with the information that gives others money. That is when you will start, making money from the market. But when you continue consuming chunk of messages and chunk of of videos and informations, at the end of the day, it will block your brain, it will block your head. You will not get anything wise. I keep on telling you guys the bitter truth. If you like, you take it as the real truth. If you like, if you don't like, leave it. I am telling you how I feel. All right. Because one thing about this forex trading is the fact that everyone is claiming to trade, whereas it's not everybody that is dishing out videos out there is a trader. Just get that straight in your mind. All right. So now, if you look at this information that I want to share with you guys here, you will see that by default, or let me say, overall trend of this particular pair, this is 4 hour time frame anyways, right? So overall trend on this 4 hour time frame, what I am seeing here on this 4 hour time frame, and what you equally can see, is that this particular V75 index is trending downward. All right. And for the fact that this V75 index is trending downward does not mean that you cannot see buy scenarios within this downtrend. All right. It doesn't work that way. So, but how are you going to position yourself? How are you going to, capitalize on probably whenever the market is pulling back? Because you are buying on downtrend market, it means you are opening your position, or you are trading the pullback of that particular trend. All right. So now, with what you are seeing right now on my chart, or what you are seeing right now on this screen, you will agree with me that this pair is actually trending downward. But that does not mean that I cannot buy on this scenario. First and first, these are the things, or this is the strategy that your mentors use. Now, if you look at this pair as I just explained right now, you will see that this is a break of structure here. Let me mark this out. This is a break of structure. And once the market start breaking structure to the downside or to the upside, it means that market is trending. All right. It is when you do not see any break of structure, you are just seeing up and down, zigzag market. That is when you will know that the market is ranging. All right. So now, if you look at this here, you see that this particular market was, dropping heavily this way. For the fact that it's dropping heavily this way, this is the significant, break of structure that we can see that we want to use as an example of what I am about to share with you guys here, so that you understand how your big mentors use this strategy, all right, and how you can also incorporate whatever you're going to learn here and know how you're going to sort yourself out. All right. So if you want a shorter cut of you getting all this information and start being profitable, that is when you need mentors. There is no one out there, even me that is speaking to you here, because I would have shared all those things here, but people are paying for it. So I cannot just do that. It doesn't really make sense. All right. So now, if you look at this here, this is first of all, you understand the direction that the market is heading. Already you have seen that if you look at this here, let me just say, if you look at this place here, you will see that the market is not going up, it's trending downward. So now, after looking out for this, and you see that, look at this one here, you will see that we have another break of structure here. All right, we have another one here. All right, we have another one here. We have another one here. All right. You can see series of break of structures to the downside now, confirming that this particular pair, this particular V75 index is trending downward right now. But for the fact that this pair is trending downward, does it mean that we cannot see opportunities for you to buy? Do not forget that when you look at this zone here, if you look at up here, let me go this way. If you look this zone, you will see that we have multiple break of structure. You can see this is a break of structure, this is a break of structure, this is a break of structure. Just name it. All right. But if you look at this zone here, you will see there was no break of structure at this zone here. All right. There was no break of structure at this particular zone here. That is when you will realize, that is when you will know that this pair is not trending. This pair is consolidating at the moment. All right. So now, as soon as it breaks below or it breaks out of this particular box, which was the consolidation zone, you can see that it gave us this break of structure here. Look at it here, because if I'm saying this, it will seem or it will be sounding as if I'm thinking. Look at this here. This is a break of structure, right? And it doesn't stop there. This is another break of structure. No matter how small it is, hence you are spotting this on higher time frame, it will be very, very useful to you. All right. This is another break of structure here. All right. So exactly what I'm talking about. Now, how are you going to make use of this break of structure to start making money from the market? After you might have, identified, or after you might have, confirmed that the market is trending upward or downward. In this scenario, the market is breaking structure to the downside, which means that the market is trending downward. All right. So you should be only looking for sales if you want to, respect your account. If you want to respect your money and respect your account and preserve your money, respect yourself by obeying the law of this particular trading. If the market is trending downward, respect the fact that the market is going downward and only look out for only sales. But if you're smart enough, if you're a pro trader and you know how you can, find your way around it, whereby you can have the buys that will occur as a pullback to this break of structures, fine and good. But if you are following my instruction, I will advise you pay very close attention and follow only this information, this instruction. You need to follow them. All right. Hence, the market is breaking structure to the downside. You should be looking for only sales and nothing but sales. And how are you going to get your sales? There are many things that you need to look out for. Let me mark all these places. Look at this here. There are many things that you need to look out for here. All right. Many things that you need to look out for before you can take any position. Hence, this market is trending downward. There are many things that you need to look out for before you can open your position for sale. And what are those things? That is where I am not going to go deep into this, just as I said earlier on, but I'm just going to give you guys clue. There are many confluences that you need to look out for. Hence, you spot that this market has broken structure to the probably downside or upside. Now you look out for the other confluences that you are going to, spot on your lower time frame. Do not forget that you are seeing this break of structures on your higher time frame. If you are getting value from this particular video, do not forget to smash that like button and also turn on your notification so that whenever I share another valuable content like this particular one that you are watching right now, you to be able to pop up a notification that I've shared a vital and valuable information that will help you make money from the market. And also, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family that are also struggling on how to make money from this. Now, let's go back to the video again. If you look at this here, let's take for instance, if you look at this break of structure here that occurred here, all right, you will understand that, okay, before we go to that one, we look at this bigger one here. You will see that after all these many, sort of, ups and down, the market failed to take out this particular low before this. The market was only trending around this, and you cannot do anything from here to this particular place here because this is the this particular place here is our previous lower high. All right. If this market break this structure at this zone, this is our previous lower high here. So there is nothing you can do here within this zone since the market failed to take out this our lower low here. There is nothing you are going to do here. Hence, you are seeing this market within this zone. You cannot consider this as a break of structure, all right? Because I know for sure many people will probably might have dived into this as, okay, the market is now bullish. You start buying and hold. And what happened? Market gets this place and drop and clear everything, probably both the profit and everything you might have, hold in this wallet or in this particular position. All right. So why you be asking yourself why, but the market has broken structure to the upside? That is a typical lie. All right. This is a just minor break of structure within the break of structure that will allow you to scalp if you are a scalper. When I say the scalper, that is if you are trading within 1 minute to 5 minutes, you can scalp a little bit from this zone here and you're out of the market. Or if you are trading normal way whereby you want to make a lot of money from the market, I'm not saying that the scalpers do not make money from the market. What I'm saying in essence is if you want to understand the higher frame or higher time frame direction of the pair and you want to comfortably allow your trade to run, look at this here. Hence, this market, this particular place, this place was our lower high, and this is the last break of structure before these many movements low here, and the market failed to break low. So we shouldn't have been doing anything around here. We should have been waiting and wait patiently for this market come to this particular place here before this market comes to this place, even if as I'm giving you guys this free information, this is a vital information. If you do not understand this, if you watch this video until you understand what I'm trying to let you guys know, and be sure to go back to your chart and backtest all these things. All right, you will see what I'm talking about. Now, once the market gets back to this particular place, you are not still going to do anything because you don't really know what the market is going to play. If it breaks above this place or with a bullish candle, now you will wait for the candle to close bullish outside here. It means it has taken the previous lower high. That is, the market has changed direction, or you will say it is a shift of structure, all right? Or change of character, whatever you want, you can call it. Then you should be looking for buys. But in this scenario, all these things that you are seeing here, market might be creating only liquidity to tap into this place and start selling, which was exactly what happened here. Whoever that bought from this zone and expecting to take it somewhere here, the market will come back. And when the market will be retreating, the person will be thinking, okay, it's just a pullback, it will go back. And you'll be looking at or watching the market and we come back and close the account. So there are many other confluences that you need to look out for on your lower time frame once you spot this or once the market gets to this place before you can start opening position. Do not go there and start opening position. This is the time frame. So the same thing applies to any of all these particular break of structure that you're seeing here. You can see this break of structure here. You can see what happened. That confluences that I'm talking about is what happened here, and that is why the market started retracing again from this one. And the break structure again, that same confluence is what happened here. The market continued down. So what are we saying? How are you going to know about all these confluences? You are going to take all these confluences on your lower time frame. Already for a higher time frame, you have confirmed that this market is probably going up or coming down. Now, it's less for you to stick to the rule of the engagement, whereby you will know that since this market is trending downward in this scenario, we are using this V75 index. Hence, this market is trending downward, which is what confirms that is the fact that it has been breaking structure to the downside. Now you need to only sell. So if you want to buy this market, now you just have to do exactly what happened here. You wait for a mini or minor break of structure like this, and you wait for the same influences that you need, probably whether you're trading bigger time frame or you're trading lower time frame. That same confluences is what you need here for you to open a position. You cannot just go there and say, okay, it has broken structure. Let me open my position there. That stop loss will almost be equal to your account size. You need all this information. If you do not want me to mentor you, look for somebody that will explain this thing to you this way. I just want every one of you guys to make money. That is why I come up here to shout vital information like this for you guys for free. All right? So that is exactly what you need. And if you want me to mentor you, all you just need to do is for you to use the WhatsApp number that I'm going to leave in the description box of this particular video that you're watching right now. I am going to detail all these things to you and give you the confluences that you should be looking out for on your lower time frame. After seeing these scenarios on higher time frame, you're going to use those confluences to open your position on your lower time frame, and you have that freedom and free of peace mind to allow your position to run to any anticipated profit zone. That is it, guys. That is it. But if you do not want me to mentor you, look for somebody that will explain this. Look for somebody that will mentor you and show you all these things. It is not all about, being smart all for what you don't know. You cannot be playing gamble with your hand-earned money. And you ask yourself this question: there is no any business out there that you are going to engage on without you learning the ethics of that business. You will definitely fail. It's as simple as that. Because some of you guys have this mentality of if you're making money, why are you requesting for someone to pay for it? You don't know what you're saying. You don't know what you're saying. If you actually know what you're saying, there is no one out there that will share with you guys how he or she makes his money for free. It does not work. It does not exist. That is not the rule of business or the rule of whatever you might call it. But I'm just telling you guys the truth. I don't charge you guys as you think. I don't do anything. I am not even after that. But if you do not pay, you cannot sit up and understand what I'm talking about, because there are many other people that are looking up to you. You need to get it right. Stop wasting your time. Stop jumping from one video to another, one YouTube video to another, thinking that you will gather all this information and they will be useful for you. They won't be useful for you because there are many information that you are going to consume. At the end of the day, you cannot get anything out of it. So if you look at this place, you will see that this particular move needs to come back to this place to complete its mission. But right now, you can see that it gets to somewhere here and pull back, all because of the confluences that you need to know in lower time frame, whether you are going to wait for this or it should be when the market has reversed entirely. You should be waiting for this. That is what you are going to learn in probably private class or mentorship class. It must not be me, just as I said earlier on. Find yourself someone that will, throw more light on this. I would have been sharing all these things for free, but some people are already paying for it. So it is not necessary. It is not professional for me to do that. It doesn't really make sense, just as I said earlier on. So just as I said earlier on, if you're getting value from this video, do well to smash that like button and also share this video with others that are struggling to make money from trading this market. And also, I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description box of this particular video. Do where to grab a copy of those books and go through it. They will help you. The books are listed on Amazon and seller.co. You can grab a copy of the ones that you want and go ahead and study and understand. It's all about study. Study even this particular forex trading. If you do not put in the work, you cannot make money from it. You cannot just, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I keep on saying this. So it all depends on whoever that wants to listen should listen. That is it. So that is exactly how it is, guys. We have come to the end of this video. It's getting longer, and I don't want the situation whereby it will be more longer than this. I just want you guys to get the root and understand how this works, what their mentors use, and the strategy that they use that they are not sharing with you, which I don't blame them for that, because it's not that easy. All right. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Only test. Peace.